A crisp company logo shirt instantly signals professionalism and helps cleaners build trust with office clients. A well-designed logo shirt creates immediate recognition and sets expectations about service quality, so choose a fit that allows movement without looking sloppy and select fabric that resists stains and breathes to maintain a neat appearance through a long shift. Keep the logo placement consistent on the chest or upper left so it is visible when greeting clients and avoid oversized graphics that look homemade. Use a single complementary color for the logo and shirt background to preserve clarity. For laundering, use a gentle detergent and low heat drying to prevent fading and shrinkage, and rotate shirts so each garment has time to fully dry and recover shape after washing. Train staff to tuck in shirts when appropriate, keep collars and seams pressed, and replace shirts at the first sign of fraying or permanent staining so the team always presents a unified image. Combine logo shirts with neutral pants and clean, closed-toe shoes to complete a cohesive uniform that reads as intentional rather than improvised. For smaller teams, keep a simple size and color chart and order replacement shirts in batches to avoid mismatched shades across staff members. Common issues include shirts that fade quickly, which often comes from high heat washing and drying, so switch to cold water washes and hang drying to extend color life. Another frequent problem is jewelry or accessories that distract from the professional look and can interfere with cleaning tasks. Make it a policy to remove rings and bracelets or cover them with protective gear while on the clock. A third concern is inconsistent attire among crew members, which undermines brand cohesion, so establish a clear dress policy with pictured examples, keep spare shirts on hand for unexpected stains, and conduct quick uniform checks before appointments. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by showcasing services and facilitating direct contact with potential clients. We also host a discussion community where cleaners and business owners exchange practical tips on branding, uniforms, and client communication so everyone can learn from real-world experience.